Hey everyone, welcome to our channel where we dive deep into health and wellness topics to help you live your best life. Are you feeling more tired than usual? Struggling to get through the day without feeling drained? Noticing hair loss or slow healing wounds? These could be signs that your body is trying to tell you something important. You might be lacking a crucial mineral, zinc. Zinc is essential for many bodily functions. Zinc plays a vital role in so many bodily functions, from immune support to wound healing. It helps your body stay strong and resilient. In this video, I'll break down the signs of zinc deficiency and, most importantly, how you can prevent it. We'll cover everything you need to know. We'll discuss how much zinc you actually need and the best ways to make sure you're getting enough from your diet. From food sources to supplements, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Zinc is an essential mineral that our bodies don't naturally produce, meaning we need to get it from food or supplements. Zinc plays a key role in immune function, wound healing, cell growth, and even our senses of taste and smell. Feeling run down? Hair loss got you down? How about those wounds that just won't heal? These could all be signs of zinc deficiency. While anyone can experience zinc deficiency, vegetarians, vegans, pregnant women, and people with digestive disorders might be at a higher risk. Zinc is crucial for the development and function of immune cells that defend your body against infections. Ever notice how cuts and scrapes seem to heal faster with enough zinc? That's because zinc helps in cell growth and repair. Let's dive into the details of how much zinc you need. Well, the recommended daily intake varies by age and gender, and it's crucial to get the right amount for your body. In general, adult men need around 11 milligrams of zinc daily to maintain optimal health, while women need about 8 milligrams. Ensuring you get enough zinc can support your immune system and overall well-being. Zinc-rich foods to add to your diet. Oysters are the superstars of zinc, but you can also find it in red meat, poultry, beans, nuts, and whole grains. Zinc supplements. Should you take them? If you're struggling to meet your zinc needs through diet alone, supplements can be helpful, but it's always best to consult with your doctor first. Chapter 10. Zinc, small mineral, big impact. From supporting your immune system to keeping your hair and skin healthy, zinc plays a vital role in your overall health. So, there you have it. We've taken a deep dive into the world of zinc, exploring its numerous benefits and how it plays a vital role in maintaining our overall health and well-being. We've covered the essential information about zinc and why it's so crucial for your health. From boosting your immune system to supporting wound healing, zinc is an essential mineral that your body needs. Remember, if you're experiencing any persistent symptoms or suspect a deficiency, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. They can provide personalized advice and ensure you're on the right track. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Pot Pill Portions channel for more health and wellness tips. Your support helps us create more informative content to keep you and your loved ones healthy. Until next time, stay healthy. Keep making those positive choices for a better, healthier you. See you in the next video.